Moscow is the capital and largest city of Russia. The city stands on the Moskva River in central Russia, with a population estimated at 12.4 million residents within the city limits, while over 17 million residents in the urban area, and over 20 million residents in the Moscow metropolitan area. The city covers an area of 2,511 square kilometers. Moscow is among the world's largest cities, being the largest city entirely in Europe, the largest urban area in Europe, the largest metropolitan area in Europe, and the largest city by land area on the European continent. Originally established in 1147, Moscow grew to become a prosperous and powerful city that served as the capital of the Grand Duchy that bears its namesake. When the Grand Duchy of Moscow evolved into the Tsardom of Russia, Moscow still remained as the political and economic center for most of the Tsardom's history. When the Tsardom was reformed into the Russian Empire, the capital was moved from Moscow to St. Petersburg, diminishing the influence of the city. The capital was then moved back to Moscow following the Russian Revolution, and the city was brought back as the political center of the Russian SFSR and the Soviet Union. In the aftermath of the dissolution of the Soviet Union, Moscow remained as the capital city of the contemporary and newly established Russian Federation. As the northernmost and coldest megacity in the world, and with a history that dates over 8 centuries, Moscow is governed as a federal city that serves as the political, economic, cultural, and scientific center of Russia and Eastern Europe. As an alpha world city, Moscow has one of the world's largest urban economies, and is one of the most expensive cities in the world. The city is one of the fastest growing tourist destinations in the world, and is one of Europe's most visited cities. Moscow is home to the third highest number of billionaires of any city in the world, and has the highest number of billionaires of any city in Europe. The Moscow International Business Center is one of the largest financial centers in Europe and the world, and features some of Europe's tallest skyscrapers. Muscovites enjoy public digital services more than anywhere else in Europe, and the best government services in the world. Moscow was the host city of the 1980 Summer Olympics, and one of the host cities of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. As the historic core of Russia, Moscow serves as the home of numerous Russian artists, scientists, and sports figures due to the presence of its various museums, academic and political institutions and theaters. The city is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and is well known for its display of Russian architecture, particularly its historic Red Square, and buildings such as the St. Basil's Cathedral and the Moscow Kremlin, of which the latter serves as the seat of power of the government of Russia. Moscow is home to many Russian companies in numerous industries, and is served by a comprehensive transit network, which includes 4 international airports, 9 railway terminals, a tram system, a monorail system, and most notably the Moscow Metro, the busiest metro system in Europe, and one of the largest rapid transit systems in the world. The city has over 40% of its territory covered by greenery, making it one of the greenest cities in Europe and the world. The name of the city is thought to be derived from the name of the Moskva River. There have been proposed several theories of the origin of the name of the river. Finno-Ugric Magyar and Muruma people, who were among the several pre-Slavic tribes which originally inhabited the area, called the river supposedly Mustajoki, in English, Black River. It has been suggested that the name of the city derives from this term. The most linguistically well-grounded and widely accepted is from the Proto-Balto-Slavic root. *muz, muzg from the Proto-Indo-European *meu, wet. So the name Moskva might signify a river at a wetland or a mass. Its cognates include Russian, muzga, muzga pool, puddle, Lithuanian, muzgoti and Latvian, muzga to wash, Sanskrit, majjati to drown, Latin, murgo to deep, immerse. In many Slavic countries Mostov is a surname, most common in Bulgaria, Russia, Ukraine and North Macedonia. There exist as well similar place names in Poland like Mozgava. The original Old Russian form of the name is reconstructed as *Moski. Moski. Hence it was one of a few Slavic U-stem nouns. As with other nouns of that declension, it had been undergoing a morphological transformation at the early stage of the development of the language. As a result, the first written mentions in the 12th century were Mostov, Moscovi. From the latter forms came the modern Russian name Moskva, Moskva, which is a result of morphological generalization with the numerous Slavic A-stem nouns. However, the form Moscovi has left some traces in many other languages, such as English, Moscow, German, Moskai,